Okay, Mr. Giles. Here it is. Funny thing, you said it ran. Well, when I went to test it the way you sent it to me, it would flood. Flood badly. So I swapped tops. Different top. No flooding. Watch. It's all nice and warmed up. Going well. The other top wouldn't do it. Okay. Currently idling at about 680. Let's see what that dwell looks like. Yeah, right here at about 42. Okay. Vacuum is at 23. Great. And there's the fuel pressure, about 2.75. Looking good. All right. I'll pull it through a couple times. All right, sir. I think you'll like it. Thanks, buddy.